Welcome to Health Hub. Watch this everyday health tips part 2. Go crazy on vegetables. Vegetables are your best bet when it comes to losing pounds. Nature has a terrific spread when it comes to choosing vegetables. And the leafy green vegetables are your best bet. Try to include a salad in your diet always. Eat intelligently. The difference between man and beast is that we are driven by intelligence while beasts are driven by instinct. Don't just eat something because you feel like eating it. Ask yourself whether your body really needs it. Watch what you eat. Keep a watchful eye on everything that goes in. Sometimes the garnishes can be richer than the food itself. Accompaniments too can be very rich. Remember that it is the easiest thing in the world to eat something without realizing that it was something that you should not have eaten. Selective memory. Control that sweet tooth. Remember that sweet things generally mean more calories. It is natural that we have cravings for sweet things, especially chocolates and other confectionery. Go easy on these things, and each time you consume something sweet, understand that it is going to add on somewhere. Fix times to have meals and stick to it. Try to have food at fixed times of the day. You can stretch these times by half an hour, but anything more than that is going to affect your eating pattern. The result will either be a loss of appetite or that famished feeling, which will make you stuff yourself with more than what is required the next time you eat. Eat only when you are hungry. Some of us have the tendency to eat whenever we see food. We use parties as an excuse to stuff ourselves. Understand that the effect of a whole week of dieting can be wasted by just one day's party food. Whenever you are offered something to eat, do not decline it completely, but just break of a nibble so that you appear to mind your manners and at the same time can watch your diet. Quit snacking in between meals. Do not fall for snacks in between meals. This is especially true for those who have to travel a lot. They feel that the only time they can get a bite to eat is snacks and junk food. The main problem with most snacks and junk food is that they are usually less filling and contain a lot of fat and calories. Just think about French fries, tempting but terribly fattening. Snack on vegetables if you must. You might get the pangs of hunger in between meals. It is something that you can very well control. Or even better, try munching on carrots. They are an excellent way to satisfy those hungry pangs and are good for your eyes and teeth. True, you might end up being called Bugs Bunny, but it's miles better to be called Bugs Bunny than Fatso. Go easy on tea and coffee. Tea and coffee are harmless by themselves. It's when you add the cream and sugar that they become fattening. Did you know that having a cup of tea or coffee that has cream and at least 2 cubes of sugar is as bad as having a big piece of rich chocolate cake? Try to stick to black tea, coffee. Black tea or coffee can actually be good for you. But personally, I would like to recommend tea rather than coffee. The caffeine in the coffee is not really good for you because it is an alkaloid and can affect other functions of your body like the metabolism. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe our channel.